Are you in search of an innovative side hustle with impressive earnings, potential and minimal competition? I'm going to introduce an opportunity that's currently generating over $120,000 and facing virtually no competition. Yes, you heard it right. In today's video, I will explain how you can launch a similar side hustle using the incredible power of AI. Get ready to discover how AI can elevate your business strategy to new heights. From generating ideas to crafting stunning designs, AI has got you covered. It's like having a virtual business partner. Let's dive right in and explore the amazing world of printable flashcards. The product that's gaining traction and yielding substantial profits is none other than printable flashcards. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal with flashcards, right? Okay, my friends, flashcards are a fantastic educational tool that matches images with words, making learning engaging and effective. If you take a look at platforms like Etsy and eBay, you'll notice a significant demand for printable flashcards. But here's the twist: there's nearly no competition. Moreover, a consistent upward trend on Google Trends indicates that this is the perfect moment to seize the opportunity. In this video, I'll uncover the strategy and show you how AI can be harnessed to tap into this burgeoning market. Let's begin. Step 1. Creating flashcards from an idea. For that, let's get down to business. How do you transition from an idea to a lucrative flashcard product? There are two approaches you can take. Firstly, you can manually analyze your competitors on platforms like Etsy. By examining their listings, images, product descriptions, and customer feedback, you'll gain insights into what works and what doesn't. Gaining this knowledge, you can create something even more outstanding that stands out from the crowd. The second method, which I prefer, involves using chatgpt to automate idea generation. For instance, I requested chatgpt to provide 10 flashcard ideas within the animal niche for kids. It efficiently generated 10 ideas along with instructions. That's awesome. The animal names, baby animals, or animal sounds are my flashcard topic. This approach streamlines the brainstorming process and enhances your efficiency. Step 2. Creating illustrations. For doing this, I recommend using Leonardo, particularly the 3D animation style, because it is free. It produces anime-style images that are ideal for kids. Then, insert the text prompt: I am using an adorable cat, and its playful baby cat standing together on a pristine white background. I used a solid white background because we need to remove the background, and it will help us later. After generating the first image, generate the other images. The third step: design flashcards using Canva. If all the illustrations are ready, it's time to design printable flashcards using Canva. For that, head over to Canva and search for printable flashcard templates and select one that suits your topic. Now click on Customize. This is our editor page. We will add our illustrations. For doing this first, we need to upload our illustrations on Canva. Just drag and drop your images. Now delete the existing graphics or illustrations. After that, import your first image. Now we have to remove the background. If you have a Canva Pro account, then you can remove the background in one click. If you don't have a Pro account, you can use remove.bg website. It's a free background remover tool. Just upload the image and remove the background. Alright, after removing the background, adjust the size if needed, and then change the text. Enter the animal name of the picture. Do the same with the second image. After completing the first page, come to the second page, and repeat the same process. Do it again and again until your last illustrations. After completing the editing, click on the share button from here. Now click on download, and select PDF print. Okay, our flashcard is now ready. Now we will make other two different versions of this flashcard. The first one is only with illustrations, and another one is only with names. After doing this, download the file as the first one. Now we will combine these three PDF files into a single PDF file. For doing this, go to the Canva homepage, and then click on Upload, and select all the three PDF files. After uploading the files, select the first PDF, means which has both image and name. Navigate to the last page, and click on Add Page to create a new page. Now click on the Project button from here, and then select the PDF file, which contains only the image without a name. Now add the first image, and then create a new page again, and add the second image. In this way, add all pages of the last PDF file. Now our project is now completed. but we'll add something more to stay ahead of our competitors, for that we will add some coloring pages, then the customer will be more attracted as we are giving some extra benefit. I have generated some coloring book images, now I will add them to our PDF. Okay, our design is now ready. Let's download the file in PDF print format. Let's how it's looking. Step 4. Publishing the flashcards. After creating the flashcard, your next step is to publish it on Amazon KDP or Etsy. For that, head over to Amazon KDP or Etsy. Create an account with your email ID and upload the file. Now, start earning from your unique printable flashcards. As you embark on this journey, I'd love to hear about your experiences with creating flashcards using AI. Share your thoughts and outcomes in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.